Hey guys, this is the 28th video of MATLAB programming. My name is Milan Shah and I am going to teach you some functions used for set operations. So here we have A is some values, B has some values. Okay, now first function is union A comma B. Now what this function will do is it will take all this value from A and B, put it together in increasing order. Now let me press enter. Okay, so this is it. We have all the values from A and B. Union will make in order of increasing 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Now what if we have same value in both of these, 35, 35, 8, 8, 7, 7. So here union will not take both of this value, it will take only one value and remove other values and put it here. Okay, so this is union function. Now other function is set XOR. Now what this function will do is it will take all the values from A and B and the values which are in both of this A and B, it will remove this value and make an array in increasing order. That means here we have 7, 7, 8, 8, 35, 35. So it will remove 7, 8, 35 and it will show the remaining values. Now let me press enter and here it is 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9 means 7 and 8 are removed. Then 12, 15 means 14 is removed. Why? 14, 14. Then 15, 16, 23, 24, 25, 27 and 35 is removed. Why? 35, 35. So this is the set XOR function. So that's it for now. Do like, share, subscribe, comment below and thanks for watching.